Hello guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to Codewars Series. So today we'll be solving slightly easier kata, which is find the position. It's 8Q kata and it's very simple. You'll see how simple it is. So our task today is to get a position of alphabet. So if we provide a letter, we will need to get the number. So let's see how should we do that one. Okay, so when provided with a letter, return its position in the alphabet, and input is like string, like A, and the output should be position of alphabet, which is 1, which is basically its order in alphabet. So only lowercase English letters are tested. Okay, so before we start coding, I just want to let you know about the ASCII table, which is this one. If you've never seen this before, let's see what it is. So ASCII table stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and computers can only understand numbers. So an ASCII code is the numerical representation of chars like A or at or some sort of. So ASCII was developed a long time ago, and now the non-printing characters are rarely used for their original purpose. So below you can see ASCII char table, and you will see the codes and stuff inside. So by the way, if you want to learn more about this one, you can go to this site. I will put it in the video description so you can learn some stuff about it. So here you will have some description and you will see what is it about. Okay, I also wanted to let you know about some specific method of a string, which is char Codat. We will need this one while we are solving this task. So basically, let's jump in and let's code this solution. So we'll just need to find const position, we will say const position, which will be our position, and let's say letter dot code, or rather char code at, and then we will say -96, and I'll just explain why. So if we have string, which is like our letter, and then char Codat, we will be returned with some kind of an index, right? Why 96? Let's see why. So if you take a look, letter A starts from 97 and it's going up to 122, which is its set, right? So let's see if this works actually. So we will need to return something like this, and we will be using something called string interpolation or template literals in JavaScript. So we'll say position of alphabet, and then we'll say position, right? Let's try if it works, and yeah, okay, it does, but it's just one test, and let's attempt to solve this one. Okay, yeah, all tests passing, so it means this is our solution. Okay, yeah, that's it for today's episode. I hope to see you guys in the next one, and take care.